Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got another unboxing for February and it's a little bit later than usual, but it's the Lookfantastic beauty box. So if you're new to Lookfantastic and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty box that ships worldwide. It costs £15 a box and it contains 6 beauty treats. The reason you're seeing this video a little bit later than normal is because this is my personal subscription, which arrived a few days ago. I am on Lookfantastic's PR list, but unfortunately I haven't received their box this month. Normally I receive it near the start of the month, so I'm able to share with you before the boxes get shipped out to you. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. For my personal subscription, I use these boxes generally for giveaways. I've got 2 big giveaways running at the moment on my Instagram page. You'll find details to both of those down in my description. But yeah, I usually save these boxes and give them as giveaways on my Facebook page or my Instagram, or I save them and I give them to gifts for friends and family. I take out a 12-month subscription, so instead of paying £15 a month, I pay £13, so it gets reduced a little bit. As with most subscriptions, some months are better than others, but the value of every box comes to a minimum of £50 a month, and it's a chance for us to try products that we might not have tried before. There's always discounts flying around. If you're a new subscriber, I will seek them out. I believe this month you can have your first box for £7 or £7.50 plus a free moisturiser. If that is still running, then I'll get the code and I'll pop it down below, as well as any other discounts I can find. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening up and see what I received. I got a booklet this month. For the last couple of months I haven't had a booklet and I can't remember what we had before. Was it just a leaflet with a QR code? I honestly can't remember, but yeah, we've got a booklet. And in here details everything about the products inside the box, so I'm able to refer to it as we go along. But I'm on the lookout for any sneak peeks for next month, and we got one on the back here. Next month we'll be receiving a Sacha Joanne, a volumizing styling cream, 125ml cream for your hair. So we will be receiving one of those. It's just a little note about this month's box. It's the self-love box. This is our shrine to self-love and knowing your self-worth, a collection of beautiful products to inspire the creative side and indulge and pamper your complexion for the ultimate date night look. We've put our heads together here at BBHQ to ensure you have the best February possible. Last month they introduced a bit of a mystery to the products, as in everyone will receive, I think it's 3 or 4 of the same products, and then the rest could be a surprise. Essentially, if you don't look for spoilers on the internet before you receive your box, well, it's all going to be a surprise anyway. It reminds me very much of how Birchbox do it. So every month they bring out a new subscription box, same as Lookfantastic have, and they've got about 8 or 9 products in there. And with Birchbox, you will have 5 of those products. With Lookfantastic, you'll receive 6 of those products. So I'm looking here and there's 9 altogether. I haven't had a look in my box yet, so I don't know what products I've got, but I will let you know the others that are available, which I don't have then. Okay, so enough of me chatting. Let's get on to opening this up and seeing what I received. There's 7 beauty items in there. So we've got an added freebie. This was our sneak peek from last month. This is so cute. Really, really cute. I know that you can have different sizes in Pixie Glow Tonic, but I've never seen a 15ml one. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? I am a sucker for little miniatures that actually look like the full size then, you know? That is so cute. I'm going to have to save that and pop it under my bed in my ready to go for a night away holiday sort of box items. I'm sure this is our sneak peek from last month and I just assumed we'd be receiving a 50ml or 100ml version. No, it's a teeny tiny one. Restore balance to your complexion with this ultra refining glow tonic from Pixie. Powered by glycolic acid to gently buff away dead skin and impurities, the purifying treatment helps to refine the appearance of pores and stimulate cell renewal to create a brighter and clearer canvas. So that's the first item in the box. We've got some makeup removers. These are little heart pads. This is by the brand Glove. We've received products from Glove before. Oh my word. They are really cute. You can see how the size of them fit in my palm of the hand there. So great for eye makeup. not so much all over your face, but yeah, I'd imagine really handy for eye makeup, especially if you've got an eye makeup remover. I've got a few oils that I use, so these would be perfect to do it because they're nice and soft and gentle and they're not too big. Save up to 1,000 cotton pads yearly by switching to these reusable little pads. The luxuriously soft material that covers the pads glides over your skin, effortlessly removing makeup, dirt and grime. You can also be kind to the environment while being kind to your skin, as the pads are washable so you can continue to use them again and again. So there's those. Next, we got a product by Bibi. This is a Clarity Cleanse Daily Gel Cleanser. And there's 20 mils there. And it says here, this tube is made from sugarcane. A combination of powerful antimicrobial, antiseptic ingredients, including rosemary and cypress, help to break down dirt, grime and oil and smell like a minty forest. Your skin feels truly cleansed and clear, but not stripped. Okay. Oh yeah, it does smell nice. Always nervous about it going up my nose. So we've got a cleanser there. Next, we've got a product by Balance Me, and this is a vitamin C brightening eye serum. And we've got 5 mils there. I'm shocked to see this in the box actually. I'm sure we've had it numerous times in Lookfantastic. I know I've received it many times, but it could be different subscription boxes, I don't know. But the Balance Me Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum promotes a radiant, supercharged contour. Equipped with hard-hitting ingredients, the formula seeks to minimise the look of puffiness. Elderberry flower complex energises and nourishes, helping to rejuvenate the delicate eye area. Vitamin C is great, nothing against this product, but it just doesn't feel that exciting, if you know what I mean, because I've had it before anyway. So it looks like everyone will receive all of those 4 products, and then the next 2, but I've got 3 here. It looks like everyone will be receiving 7 items this month instead of 6, unless they've changed it. Will they be sending out 7 items every month? I don't know, I just feel like I'm not in the loop. I need to know. First of the items is what I've received recently in a Birchbox box, and I know I like it. It's a Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter, and there's 50 mils here. Now I've tried the Rescue Balm, a Lemon Rescue Balm. It's very similar to like a Dr. Paw balm, but this is actually like a moisturising butter. I'm not going to open it up because you need to use it within 6 months or else it goes off, and you will know it goes off. Not great for you. So I opened the one that I received from Birchbox, so I'm going to keep that to the side. But it smells amazing. It's not too overpoweringly lemon. I love lemon. I'm obsessed with lemon scents. It's just a really nice cream. Really lovely. Cuticles, hands, elbows, any dry patches, or even on your face. What's it say about it here? It doesn't give me any information about it, does it? No. They only give information about the first 4 items that everyone will receive. All the others, they don't tell you anything about it. But there you go. I've just given you an idea of what this product is like. So there's that. Next, we've got a Lottie London, and this is a blush, and this is in Haze. Ooh. This is a familiar for me. I have received this numerous times. I'm not sure actually in Lookfantastic. I don't think I have received it in Lookfantastic. I know I have done in Glossybox. It's really pretty. The colours, it's ombre. Hopefully it's ombre there. It is nice. But I've already got one, so I'll be passing that on. And then lastly, Beauty Pro Foot Therapy Collagen Infused Booty. I love these. I absolutely love these. They just make my feet feel absolutely amazing, and I haven't got the best feet. They are absolutely horrible. Horrible feet. They just smell nice afterwards. Feel soft. Yeah, I do really like them. They've got removable toe tips, so safe to use with natural nails and gel polish. Pull the booty on and leave for 20 minutes, but it's got all the information on the back there. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Lookfantastic. I'll just gather them all up and I'll do a bit of a recap. So we've got a glove, heart, makeup removing pads. We've got a Pixie Glow Tonic. We've got a Bibi Clarity Cleanse. We've got a Balance Me Vitamin C Eye Cream. And then the items that could be different from everyone else. Dr. Botanicals Lemon Rescue Butter, Lottie London Ombre Blush and Haze, and lastly Beauty Pro Foot Therapy Foot Masks. Looking at all the products here, there is a lot I have received before. I've received this, I've received this, I've received this, I've received this, I've received this. It might be easier just to show you what I haven't received. These two. I haven't received those. But I can't remember if I received them in Lookfantastic before or in other boxes. I know for definite that I have received that in a glossy box, and I recently received that in a Birch box. So if you are a beauty box subscriber like myself, a bit of an addict, then there are going to be crossovers. For me, I pay £13. Definitely think it's worth £13. It's a good box considering we get in 7 products as well, but it's not a wow box, as in showing brand new products, you know, that we haven't tried or tested before. That's what I'd love to see. Or different brands, completely new brands. Yeah, that would be cool as well. But I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this subscription box this month? Do you subscribe to Lookfantastic? Did you receive the same as me? Or did you receive, oh, I forgot to tell you, the other items that you could have got. A We Are Paradox, a hair mask, down there. A Philip Kingsley Bond Builder for your hair, or you might have had a Beauty Pro hair mask, or a Living Proof dry shampoo. I can't remember what I said before now. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and I'd love to hear what you think of this box, especially if you're new to Lookfantastic. What do you think of it? Please comment down below. But take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.